Good night. My name is Diego Salcedo. These are my practice. Practice 1. Let's see who's speaking today. Mary's sister loved shipping use. Frank speaking about horse size. Tom's zebra and Dick's snake are unusual. Let's zigzag on the ice with Philip's skate. The candidates spin some falls. Thousand saw Shakira's soul. Her face showed a nice smile. Wendy's sister likes soldiers. The cyclopedia said this she sticks. Practice 2. Oh, alone, go, only, no, no, open, to, show, over, from, to, okay, young, good, ocean, stone, flow, owner, cut, tomato, on deer, come, potato. Fun, young, and hot. My name's and throw horse. Don't go to throw stone. You grow tomato and potato. Eat snow and drop. Don't go to the shop alone. You are young a fun color. Somebody calls a stone my cup. Thank you.